Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Boy.
Literally cried to him and begged him for forgive her and begged him to go home. Social police, everyone said they cannot force him to go. We'll hurry up and get him diagnosis, so when he run away or do anything like this again, I can always say to him, oh, it's because he got ADHD and they will bring him back in the house. He will know he's stuck with me. Iman, remember you had that conversation with me. I swear to God, I'm a pitney lamb life. God kill me if I lie me I tell. Iman said she wants to diagnose the little boy that he's got ADHD, so that when he ran away from her house again, because he ran away over 10 to 15 times already, so when he ran away again, they're going to bring him back to her in her care and said, yeah, it's because of his ADHD he's doing this. But the little boy is very sensible. Let's not get it twisted. That little boy is very outspoken. He act like he's an adult and he don't like bullshit. So what she does, she smokes, she drinks, she do the balloon, she gets out and she start beat up on the little boy. She leave him in the house with the newborn babies from their babies. The little boy's fed up, bruv. He's a kid, bruv. Let the little fucking child live. What wrong for you? Do you understand? So he told the parents this. When he told the parents this, the baby father approached her to say, bro, stop what you're doing with the youth. You're not even growing the youth right. You're only giving him chicken and chips. Dirty man we are talking about. All these things. Then, you know, he pulled her up about these things. What did the girl do? Felt embarrassed and called police on her baby father. She called police on the man and sent him jail, lying that the man licked her. This time it's lip filler in the girl lip, you know. Yeah. Wicked girl. Lip, you know. Yeah. Wicked girl. Sit here. Dirty blood clot. Whilst me tell you women are fucking police, Peggy. Come on, man. You wanna be bad girl, innit? Real bad girl. Bad in a real life, girl. We're not just bad on internet. We say what we are say and we stand on that shit. That's what we do. So if you're not bad in a real life, you're not going to do all of this yapping. Come with blood clot reason. Come with reason, huh? Where you over there, sir? Where's about us? Where's about us? Pop barrel? Where's about barrel? I'm supposed to pop barrel. A 15 blood clot suitcase I come to Ghana with, bitch. Let me show you them. And the rest of them upstairs, I know them still not unpacked. 15 blood clot suitcase. You see them? You see them? I saw girl pop blood clot barrel. When I say pure foreign things, I bring a Ghana girl. Come through to the kitchen. Pure foreign things. Pure foreign pot. Pure foreign cooker. Pure good things. A pure blood clot good things. I must work with foreign. Come here. I want to see them. I'm on a plate too. I'm on a cup too. Good pot, new pot. Watch them. Nice. Girl, show your kitchen. Show your blood clot. Show your kitchen. Show your cooker. Show your blood clot house. Anywhere I go, I can't show my house safari. I can't show my house here. I can't show my house Jamaica. I can't show my house England. Hey man, show your blood. Do a 360. Move around. Move around, bitch. Move the fuck around. Who wants to see you move around? Move around now. I bet you can't do that. Show your wardrobe. Your wardrobe. Yeah. Come in right there. See, because I know I'm arguing with a cockroach. I'm not sure that the whole of the room yet. I'm supposed to travel with blood clot barrel. The barrel them they are gone now. The suitcase them they are gone now. Show your blood clot place. Show your front door. Show your back door. Show your blood clot face on your place when you attack. Show your blood clot toilet in your blood clot kitchen. Fuck out, Iman. Iman with the runaway picnic. Iman read done her own a blood clot picnic, so she send him in a care. She don't want him because Iman we want blood clot. Listen, you chastise that child. Oh God, sex girl, talk truth. Till I left the street them alone. Listen, no, I'm stay. That's why I don't love me. Remember, me couldn't come on my page. Iman, come with blood clot reason. Come with talk how you want diagnose Kyrie with ADHD because he run away from you 10 to 15 times and you want anytime he run away, police to bring him back in your house. So you want to diagnose him and say you have ADHD. Talk how you call on disability by your blood clot picnic, y'all. None of my picnic them not the farm. The whole of my picnic them have sense. My picnic them connect no blood clot. Come with reason of age. Come with blood clot reason. Talk blood clot truth if your picnic never did that ball and say how much him ate and him not coming in your house. And him couldn't come in at the car and him never going in your car. Come, hey y'all. Nah man. Come with blood clot reason. Come with reason. Let me bring up the rest of my slippers then. Let's sit down back out here, so. Come with reason, huh? Skettle bottom of the blood clot barrel, empty barrel, girl. None clothes, girl. None light and gas, girl. None food, girl. None petrol, girl. Come with blood clot reason. Talk to my blood clot. None baby father, girl. Cause you walk and lock up every man will fuck you. It's a criminal offense to fuck you. Any man you fuck got blood clot, girl. Come with blood clot reason. Prison pussy, girl. You all condemn. How you are walk and lock up the whole of them. Your crosses. Come with blood clot reason, you fucker, you. Come with reason. Come with, you lock up down to your blood clot, mama, cause you hate her, cause you sit down and ball every day and say she making her amnesty in England, cause she bring her over here for Nigeria and passport, and she put her in a different name and all these things. Come with blood clot reason. Come with reason, no. Come with reason. Oh, none of the baby father them not get a picnic them passport, no. Come with blood clot reason. The picnic them is an old immigrant like you and you have to go try and neutralize them. That's why you can't take blood clot plane and you carry bill for everybody to take blood clot plane. Come with reason was start off the argument, you know, because you get passed from 2022 September, which may have put up on another seat, watch my blood clot story, but I know you want blood clot. Come with reason, come with blood clot reason, you call my phone out with your blood clot you put with the pan face. Come with blood clot reason, as soon as you see the blood clot house, you think your belly start hurting because you must think say me are going to one blood clot village for make one blood clot. With them blood clot house the name? Chabamba blood clot, man. You must do things that make a live in a one cardboard box. You never know see something big, so me I go down. How a blood clot reason? How a reason? Oh, when we reach a Ghana and they are Ghana, yeah, what can I talk about? Yeah, start message me. Oh, Cutie, you said you were going to sort something out for me. Can you send me something, please? All of that. Come with reason now you message me on Snapchat, blood clot begging. I'm making note. Don't bother me. But the all we are gonna with my three people, them and my family. I'm not depend this with you right now. I swear to God on my kid's life if I'm lying. Come with reason what kick this off because I run you at my Snapchat DM. Come with blood clot reason. And come with reason and took exactly what you said. Your reply was, oh, I won't bother you again. Truth hurt, belly hurt, come with blood clot reason. Truth, blood clot hurt, your belly shall hurt you. You can't get a penny from me again. Every minute you want to come to pay me back the whole of money when my blood clot here. One time I tell you to pay me back my money. One time I ever ask you for it. The other day you borrowed £50 from me like that. And now I said to you, give me back my £50. Every minute you call me and you beg me money. Come with blood clot reason. Pay me back the whole of my blood clot money them. Come with got small claims go come on back the whole of my blood clot money them. Cause from 2013, 12, coming right up to this year, yeah, more about the whole of my money them. Come with got small claims. I have the whole of my message and I have the whole of the bank statement them. Come on about my blood clot money. Those are millions. I could have used that money there and go eat with my picnic them. I could have got burger and lobster or something with my kids. We could have done so much with that money. All that money you borrowed from me, we probably could have taken a trip over Turkey with all-inclusive holiday, bruv. Run back my blood clot money. That's your talk about. You need to run me back my money. Run me back my blood clot money, beggy shy, you beggy cockroach. Run back my blood clot money. Run my money. big pussy don't know to a girl. Like that you're broke and miserable and hungry. Now no blood clot like girl, you're hungry. You can chat to blood clot me. Hey, outside I get hot. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me a blood clot. Iman, here 999 call the police because all you show about police. The police are gonna say, well, I can see you're dumb. Let me wise you up about police. Yeah? Let me rap with you. Let me educate you. And the police is gonna say, well, I can see both of you are at it on the internet together with each other, so it's her word against yours. You got no case. Don't mess up your case like that, because I want to go in court with you. I want to go in court with you, because since you think you can lock me up so much or you can do so much, more go court with you, more use a whole drug mule, more bring in a blood clot jail with me, more beat in a jail, more do every blood clot. Come no man. Come, chatty patty, come. Both done, you can't done blood clot me. Go done your big pussy mama where you eat like poison. Go done your brother Ayo where you sit down and chat about you and Ayo don't chat. And Ayo baby mama and Ayo this and Ayo that. Go chat your blood clot brother. You can't chat me. You rings your whole family, bruv. You done them. You done Manny. You done his whole family. The mother is mad. His whole family is mad. The sister white baby father hates her. She's a bum. Go talk about that. Or the mother sit down and I look at Moses' picture every day in our sitting room and that. Oh, Moses, I wish you were here. Moses, you go sit down and tell them and talk about that. I want you to talk about that. Go talk about, oh, money deal with you and I'm deal with your kids. Them. That's what I want to hear you talk about. You're a weird girl. Go talk about how you're in your feelings and you ate all of Moses' kids. How can this guy, okay, his brother passed away, even if he felt like it was his fault and he wants to pick up responsibility for his brother kids, for his brother passed away, you are carrying a big belly for it and want to cuss this man, done this man, and saying how he's doing so much for Moses' kids but ain't doing nothing for yours. Why? You lock up the man. Can we talk, oh, money beat up your bumble clock door? Can we talk and beat you in front of your picnic them? Can we talk now? Can we reason? Can we talk and broke up the chair and your black and blue your eyes, spitting at your blood clot face? Can we talk I'm going at your bottom? Yeah. In your bottom. You's a batty boy. Yeah, you're fucking a batty boy. You look like a boy and in your bottom. One is a two batty man. Yeah, can we talk all that going on and then him going at your pum pum. And then yeah, lick it off. Shit him out, girl. He's a whole blood clot cockroach. You can't chat to blood clot thing. Yeah, man, me read your blood clot file, my bitch. You can't chat to me. And you come tell me your sex life and tell me your position. Me never ask you. Let me tell you something. Me nah sit down with no girl and tell no girl whether my man can fuck good yes or no. I have to find that out in myself. See the good thing about me and him? Him nah left. God damn me girl, your body wicked in her bed. Me nah tell no girl nothing. And I have to find that blood clot out on a blood clot self. You, come reason. Come we talk the blood clot things them now? Eh? Yes, me owe you or you owe me? Who do for who? Bitch, you can't fix my name. Bitch, you use my name. You use my name to get a car and fuck it up. Pay me back. You fix my name? Bitch, you borrow my money. You pay me back? I suck your mother big pussy. You talk and I chat talk about everything you're putting up. I don't put up money. Money don't know I posted that naked picture. So when you're gonna post something that I already post on the internet, or you're coming with some lame argument that you hear these fucking haters chatting on the internet, you can't have no chat for me. You're not supposed to go up on YouTube because remember you tell the people I was her friend. Here's the fucking mic, bitch. If you were my friend, you're supposed to know. You're not supposed to watch YouTube to cuss me. You're supposed to blood clot. No, you weren't no friend. You was an informant. You was an informer. You was a news carrier. You was the person that come to me and confided to me and tell me when Sweeps licked down Moses, which is Manny's brother, Manny was planning on going to my best friend Segura's yard for her youth. That here for blood clot. You can't worry me. Girl, I live nice in a blood clot. Africa. No, Africa you come from. Do this and blood clot beat me. Do this and beat me hungry belly, girl. You me tell me I put up every message. Begisha, I want back every money you borrow from me where you know blood clot pay back. Do this and beat me. But you ever think I can't talk to nice, clean blood clot me? You go on YouTube and I watch other people custom. Use a cockroach. You jump from Miss Piggy life to the Expire Cheese life to blood clot Queenie DM. Move your blood clot. Me use Queenie long pussy tongue and hang the whole on a blood clot. Don't think none of them girls can step to me. None of them. Not even blood clot Queenie. Cause remember Queenie had 2 side cutlass and both here and make him blood clot gear that road too. You let you call her and blood clot tell her. As soon as you see somebody jumping at your DM, I say my blood clot. You're quick for jumping at them DM. But I will dry you and your long blood clot, pussy tongue and the whole on the left, right and center. I want to blood clot you. I never got no girl yard and beg them not number no girl close them. Move on the dirty blood clot. Your Queenie said she would name your blood clot chicken and cuss you and she would take your thing when me give my blood clot things and dash it in your blood clot face. I want to know. I no one draw me out. Because when I say to know, no one draw me out. Because you see when me start it naga normal. When I say to know, when I say, alright. So it's either listen. Is either I'm not gonna watch the glow up and be still and wait your turn, or is either I'm not come trouble when a blood clot trouble. Me not change, you know. Me no all when me a billionaire, millionaire, me no blood clot change. I like when a blood clot tell. When no see Cardi B have more money than blood clot me and them a carry on the internet. Young Miami, everybody. I like when a blood clot tell. And me no reach that the blood clot there so yet, but no want me for go like some. No, me not too nice. My answer any dog shit, any drunk or any cockroach. Come. Me not do it. Happy New Year when it comes, boo. Me not do it. Me rub out on the long pussy tongue and hang with it blood clot. That suck your mother big pussy. Your mama hate you, everybody fear hate you. Move and go take off the restraining order for money, make him get him pick them from you. You never say your next son carry a one pan them. Move your dirty blood clot. Your teeth in son come with blood clot reason, because you show teeth pan the little boy, or him going grandmother yard, or you want and teeth harmony too. You make up all sorts of stories. All sorts of stories on your own child. Who the fuck am I for you not to lie on me? Who the fuck am I for you not to sit here and act like that's the problem? On the two red eye, you're a woman just like me. You're taking man just like me. Your man's supposed to mind you and mind your pitney them. You're not supposed to reach out to our next girl for buy your light and gas. You're not supposed dirty pussy man we are talking, but you're not supposed to reach out to our next woman and carry belly for our progress and feel like say you should abogate it for you something and look after you. And if me have blood clot millions, me not abogate it to nobody. I 3 people alone I abogate it upon this planet called Earth. And the 3 pitney them will come out of my belly, because them not if they come through my pussy. So I'm obligated to them big time, and that's shown to me in Rakayla. Yeah, 3. That's it. I'm not obligated to nobody else. So you see, I'm sorry for no maga dog. I even look on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I say, don't take it as a habit. At some point, some place, somehow, I'm going to say no. Enough is enough. I'm going to get fed up. I'm going to get fed up. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to lock it off. Just go with the program. If I said no, don't get in your feelings. Don't come and start fabricating story and acting like here. And then you're coming on here bragging about, oh, I reached the Bashman page. We're on 2 different levels, bitch. I've been on the Bashman page. Bitch, I built Juju's page. Every day you lot sent me until everyone started following Juju just to watch me. I was the only one repping that page, bitch. You ain't reach on no hype Bashman page. You're there one part of one place or in one corner. There's 2 different people in this life. You got people who's celebrating for clout, and you've got me who's celebrating because I bought a mansion. Big difference. Big blood clot difference. So I'm going to sit down and I got time with you. I can't go with you. Bitch, you sit down and talk about the whole holiday. The whole holiday you're supposed to talk, because the whole holiday you are supposed to talk, because this holiday was the big one. This, where we travel business class and come here and do this, Blood clot. You know must blood clot talk. You don't have to talk, I'm not the small things no more. You must blood clot talk, girl. Talk as much as you want, talk as long as you want. Your belly hurt you. But make sure you come back to England, you keep talking to her and come out of your house too. Come out of your house. You talk about yard rave like yard rave or nothing special. Oh, you can't go, bitch, I step in any yard rave I want to step. When I step in a yard rave, it's like a blood class celebrity come in. Ask them about me. Oh, Cutie there. Oh, Cutie, come to my thing. Cutie, do a promo for me. Cutie. I'm like a fucking celebrity in that bitch. That's why I don't go yard rave all the time. Why do they want to see the same face all the time? They just see Cutie stepping. Something brand new. Something when I always step on the scene. Una come on, una dance all streggy. I'm not blood clot look. You want to see how them act when me step in a party? I know nothing normal, girl. I know nothing normal at all. You're clappy. You can chat to me. Do this and beat me. Open your blinds. You have curtain, you have blinds. Open your blinds. Do this and beat me. You have water in your house. You have hot water. But they are the way I got on me hot and cold water. Do this and beat me. And then suitcase you really got. Girl, I Ghana them did I come. Girl, I want to put things my bring. The bar drink them when you talk about my pack out enough for them bring out and come here. So every day we drink a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 left. I regular we drink every day we drink. Well, so what you want? You want pot? What you want? You want pressure cooker? What you want? What you want, girl? Where your blood? You want a drink? Do you want a drink? You don't find. You want a coconut cream? You know for cook rice and peas? What you want? Mama come and teach you for cook. You want some seasoning? You want a bag of peas? You want to be in a yard scene? Yeah, when you go to a yard scene, yard girl them know for cook and them know for do yard things. What you want? You want some seasoning? You want some jerk chicken? What you want? You want some curry? Yeah, the curry goat? You want chicken seasoning? You want some all-purpose? What do you want? You want some paprika? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Where you want that one? Tell me what you want. Where you want? Where you want? Where you want, girl? Cause you want be me. You want blood clot be me.